everyone, my name is Amanda Bordoy. I am a septic shock survivor that left me a quadruple amputee. Over the years, learning to travel independently again, I've picked up a lot of hacks and tips and tricks that have made the process a little bit easier. So my biggest tip is when you're in the airport, obviously I don't have hands, so it's going to be hard for me to hold on to my luggage. So I learned that if you buy a small luggage strap, it snaps on to your luggage and you can snap it on to the back of your wheelchair, and the luggage will just follow you along as you get to where you need to go. I also do a lot of rideshare. So just get comfortable talking to your driver about what you need. When you request the rideshare, you can text the driver and just tell him or her your circumstances and just be like, are you comfortable helping me lug my wheelchair or my luggage into the car, or help me transfer into the car? People are really happy and eager to help you. You really need to think out when you come into your hotel room. You want to visualize the area where you're going to easily be able to plug in your prosthetics. You're going to see the paths. Is there furniture in the way? And again, I'll say, don't be afraid to ask for help. You can call the front desk and ask them, hey, there's a piece of furniture in here. It's in the way. Can someone come and help me move it out of the way? Thank you. People are always willing to help. I haven't encountered someone that wasn't happy to as of yet.